sisangayenzi ilena. A person uzobe sinike yonke vese ama details akhe. Thereafter sesizosho ukuthi White River sine agent or sine distributor eusbanibani. Enhlazatshe sine distributor or agent eusbanibani. You understand? Sizobe sesiyaqala sesiyakwazi ukuthi sikhulume ke ukuthi eBethal sine agent or distributor usbanibani. Lezo ndawo sizolokhu sizisho sisho ukuthi okay ethi kuTsolo sine distributor or agent eusbanibani, meaning that we don't want you to look for customers. Customers must look for you. And then visibility, exposure yakho sizokwenzela ukuthi reach out 500,000 viewership. Mase kuba kuwena ukuthi what are you telling people, what are you charging people, because price bazobe beyazi you cannot fix it. Bazobe bayazi bayimali ngoba nosuke sekunikile yakhe discount, and thereafter our job is to carry you, senze sure ukuthi wena i-product ekuwena iyaphela. And thereafter kuba udokotela sikho ke i-stock price ukuthi minimum to order is so much, ngoba we learned that ukuthi yonke elimaza kakhulu kuma agent and distributors is a minimum order to sell. Into ezobe ehlukile into esibiza i-logging fee. I-logging fee yona ke ezobe expensive, but minimum order izobe ikhona, izobe ingenayo. Order even umuntu owodwa, umuntu ole customer ufuna ukuthi uzo-ordela uthathe oluningi lonto, nokuthi ukuthi uzohlala nemithi eminingi la kwakho ongayidingi engathengwa. Mufuna ukusebenza kanjalo kulungile, mufuna ukuthi ube ne-stock esekuwena kulungile futhi. That is up to you. But ukujoyina komuntu oyi-distributor no i-agent akufani futhi. I-distributor okwayo kuzobe ku-cheaper than kunomuntu osuke i-agent. I-agent izobe izokhokha kakhulu ngoba umuntu osuke singamthembi ngokuthi lento esimnika yona really uzokwazi ukuthi ayihandlishe ngendlela yakhona. Ake sikhulumeni isithwalo salomfana ngathi siyawa manje. uBushiri kade efuza abe nenkonzo eUganda. Mamyeka wakhokhela zonke izinto zakhona bajeke bamblocker ukuthi angezi. How's that? Sisenabantu kodwa basuke eBotswana, basuke eSouth Africa, sibafice laphana eLilongwe beze khona. Bese sebekubingelela bathini? Ebanamasimba abakhuluma nje laphana bathi shalom. Hayibo ngathi mina hayibo lo ubamba ngomuphi line lona. Kathi mina ngiyazi into ishoyo. Bathi hayi maybe sithi shalom sisho ukuthi how are you. Ngithi mina usho ngani how are you ngoba uline oyigebengu uyawazi. Shalom okwenzani mina ngikhuluma nje shalom akuhlanu dodi mina. Mina ngifuni mina nginabangani mina bamasulumane. Kwalo dodwa uSalomo Gombe mina